good friends. How are you? I hope you are fine. Now, today we will start the last question of the same topic that we studied yesterday, that is area and perimeter. Now, question number 5 here. He said that in this question, investigate what size rectangle would have an area of 27.5 centimeters square and perimeter of 21 centimeters square. So we are just measuring, okay? Then after when you finish, means you just find the length, who you just find all the lengths, okay, and then find area and perimeter of all the shapes for this shape, this shape, this shape, and then at the end you just tell me which shape has the area is 27 and perimeter is 21. Okay, I will show you the answer. The length must be 5.5. Any one of the rectangle whose length is 5.5 centimeter and whose width is 5 centimeter. That is your right answer. B part, after that, the same thing you are drawing here. Okay, here is the answer. Now I will show you here. You can draw a rectangle and you just write these. The length must be 5.5 and width should be 5 centimeter. Now, the same topic, it's a new topic for us. It's a area and perimeter of irregular shapes. So, first thing that we will learn before this, we are just learning regular shapes. But now, today, we will learn irregular shapes. Now, David took two papers of the squares, and each square is area should be 4 centimeters square. Now, if this area should be 4 centimeter, it's mean we are dividing this into four parts like here. You can see I divide this into four parts, so each part should be 1 centimeter square. So he said now when you arrange the covers, so now what is the area? So the area should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's equal to 7 centimeters square because the one part is covered here. So that's why it's equal to 7 centimeters square. The same as it is question number 1. We are just learning. You work out what is the area of this shape. It means how many squares. We just tell in centimeter square, but it's approximately, not exact. Like what is the area? One box equal to 1 centimeter square. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first should be 9. Look at here, 9. As it is same. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will come here. So I think 6. Yes, exactly 6. As it is same, we are solving the remaining all questions. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is as it is same. He say approximately 12 centimeter. You can draw the different rectangle. Okay, so all should be approximately 12 centimeters square. Here are some example. Like when you count these boxes, it's equal to 12 boxes. So you can also draw a different rectangles. So at least 6 rectangles. So it's up to you. That is not a regular. That is all are irregular, but they have four-sided. So when I add the box, so it will be 12 or 13 like that. So here is the answer. Look at here. And I will have drawn in shaded shapes with an area of 12 centimeters square. Question number 3. Here he just put Selena made this pattern by overlapping the tissue paper triangle. So she just put a tissue paper, like you call it mandil. So she's putting like that. So first three, she just show us in this graph, like what is the area. So one box to 1 centimeter square. So it's a half. So we will call it half. And then here is 1 and 2. And then here is 1, 2, 3, 4.5. So as it is same, he said draw and complete the table to show. Is we are just solving this red and dark yellow, yellow. Now after this green, blue, and pink. So we are also finding these patterns. So first 6 pattern, as you know, each time he's adding. Now here is half. Here is 1.5, he is adding. Here is 2.5, he is adding. Here is 3.5. Here is 4.5. Here is 5.5. So as it is same, you are finding the remaining. Now what is the seventh? We have only sixth here. So if here, look at here. Here is 4.5. Here is 5.5. When I add 5.5, now when 6 will come, so I'm adding 5.5. When 7 will come, so I'm adding 6.5. So if you are adding 6.5, so what is the answer? That exactly it's 24.5. Now, what would be the area of 10th triangle? So as it is same, you are finding the other all, so you will get your answer like 50 centimeters square. So I hope it's easy and you are understanding. So if you did understand anything, kindly feel free to write in the comment box and I will answer you. Thank you so much.